Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove watermark using the magic eraser on Canva. Select your photo, select edit, and here there's a lot of options that you can choose, but we're actually going to use the magic eraser here. You can either click or you can use the brush. I'm just going to be using the brush here. You can also use the auto detect. For instance, I want to remove this part. Then we're going to select erase. Now obviously make it neater than I am right now, but as you can see, it's been removed like so. For instance, here too, I want to remove this. I can do that. But that is it. That is how you can remove stuff from your background on Canva. Like remove watermark, I guess. Okay, this one I can't, but this one I could. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Actually, this one worked too. Already, and if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.